Hello everyone. This video is part of machine learning engineer with Microsoft Azure, Udacity, Nanodegree. It's a capstone project where we had to use our own data set to create an ML model and deploy it as a web service. So the data I've used is a customer data set where we will be predicting whether the customer will churn or not. Basically, we'll be predicting whether the customer in the near future or given time period will stop using the company's services or product or not. So I have already run the model. So I have used Microsoft Azure's AutoML feature, which generates multiple models uh, on the basis of the data we have fed, and we can see that the best model generated is voting ensemble model with an accuracy of approximately 81 percent. And I have, so in my code I have registered the model, the best model, and I have deployed it, the model using Azure's ACI, that is Azure container instance. And I have, if you see the code, I have enabled application insights. Basically it helps in logging the web service and its details, how many requests were sent in, how much was the response time, uh, etc. So we can see that the machine learning model was deployed successfully and the endpoint service is in a healthy state. So we'll take the score UI, which is the REST endpoint, feed it to the next line, and provide a dummy set of data. So if you see the data, we can come to the customer is of a telecommunication uh, company, and whether we'll be predicting whether the customer will stop using the services or not. And we have used a score file which will handle the request sent and send the response according to the values. So next line I'll run this line of code again. So we can see that the response code is 200. That is basically okay. This service sent was succeeded, and the predicted value is 1, which basically means yes, the customer will stop using its service, and the company needs to focus on that, or the team needs to focus on that. So we'll go to our endpoint which we have deployed. So I have named it customer service. So here we can verify that the deployment state is healthy. The compute type is ACI, which is Azure Container Instance, and we can see that the application is enabled. So thank you.